Greetings Commanders, I'm KreeKree, and in today's video I'm going to show you the basics for exploring in Elite Dangerous. You can see me do this live on my Twitch channel, which I do have links down below for you to see. Now enough of that, we'll get straight into the video. Okay, so now for doing exploration in Elite Dangerous, the basics, just understanding your harden where you can find things, and also your fire groups. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're going to a place that you've never been before. So you would be able to see that in the bottom left it says the name of the place that we're going to and how far away it is. And you can also see where it says unknown, because we've never actually been there before. First thing you want to do is make your way there. So I'm currently in Super Cruise already, so all I need to do now is just go for a hyper space jump. So we've made it to our destination. Now one thing that you want to do before you do go ahead and start exploring the area is that you want to make sure you've got your fire group set up. So if you go over to your right hand panel, go across to fire groups, the things that you'd really want is your discovery scanner, it's your left click, and for my right click for this is my detailed surface scanner. Now once you have worked out your fire groups and confirming what the keybinds are in the options and controls menu here, so first thing you want to do is use the discovery scanner, charge it up, and then it'll honk. Alright, there we go. So it has discovered there are 16 bodies in this system. So now if we go over to our left panel, go into navigation, you can see here there's a lot of unexplored points here. If you go into the system map, you can see if anything has been actually scanned in correctly. Okay, so they have all been discovered. Okay, the thing with these, it looks like that they haven't actually been planetary scanned using the detailed surface scanner. So when you do use your discovery scanner to discover places like this, you can sell the information to spaceports and stations going into the cartographics. If you wanted to use your detailed surface scanner and your full spectrum system scanner as well, that is just extra data that you can sell for even more credits. One thing you do need to keep in mind when you do sell this data, you do have to be 20 plus light years away from that location in order to sell the information. So if you guys want to learn how to use the full spectrum system scanner and the detailed surface scanner, I do have a video on that. So go check that out, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys over there. Bye!